Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Uniabuja Positemi past question, biology question 6. In a cell, the genes are carried by A. Nuclear membrane, B. Chromatin threads, C. Lysosomes, and D. Mitochondria. Now, in a cell, the nuclear membrane, we have the nuclear membrane, we have the chromatin, we have the lysosome, and we have the mitochondria. All these are called organelles of a cell. They are referred to as organelles of the cell. Now, nuclear membrane is simply that outer core or outer membrane that lines the cytoplasm. Now, it ensures that this nuclear membrane is mostly found in plants, in animal cells. Now, this nuclear membrane prevents mixing of contents of a particular cell with contents of another cell. Now we have chromatin threads. Now, chromatin threads are found in the nucleus of a cell. Now, these chromatin threads are found in the nucleus of a cell. Now, you observe that during cell division, the chromatin threads condenses to reveal the gene. Now, these genes are carriers of hereditary traits. Now, these carriers that are called genes are found, or they are carried by the chromatin threads. Now, these carriers, these genes, like I told you, that are carriers, are they are carried by chromatin threads. Now we have lysosomes. Now, lysosomes are organelles too, similar to other organelles, but the function of lysosome is for synthesis of protein. Now, lysosomes help in synthesis of protein and protein substances. We have mitochondria, often regarded as the powerhouse. Now, this is the site of respiration, where there is breakdown of food to release energy. So, the breakdown of food to release energy occurs in the mitochondria, and it's regarded as the powerhouse because that's where oxidation of food, oxidation of glucose to liberate energy takes place in the mitochondria. So, I told you that the nuclear membrane is the lining of the cytoplasm of a cell, plant cells mainly. I told you the chromatin thread is responsible for carrying gene or housing the genes, and I told you that these genes are responsible for carrying traits. They are responsible for carrying hereditary traits. I told you lysosome for synthesis of proteins, and mitochondria is the powerhouse where respiration and release of energy occurs. So, according to this explanation, the answer to this question: in a cell, gene is carried by the chromatin threads, B. So B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.